Welcome everybody to Comics with Bonix. Today we're going to be unboxing this package as well as sharing my November comic haul with everyone, so stay tuned. Before I get started, I just want to say a big thank you to everyone that just subscribed to the channel. We've had a lot of new comic book collectors join the channel, so I really appreciate your support and I look forward to chatting up with you in the comments for future videos. And I hope you stay for the long run. So today we're going to be unboxing this package, which I was able to pick up from a fellow Instagrammer. Also wanted to go over the details of this purchase because I actually made a rookie mistake on this purchase. I saw the book on eBay. You'll eventually see what it is. I saw the book on eBay. I paid for it, I purchased it, and then I found afterwards that this seller was on Instagram and we could have made a deal through Instagram instead and saved some of the taxes and fees. Definitely a rookie mistake. Hopefully you guys can learn from this mistake. In future videos, I'll go over details of how to get the best price when looking on eBay. So stay tuned for that video. So now let's go ahead and get into the box. So this book was purchased from the seller through eBay, but this seller is also selling books on Instagram. His Instagram is Monster Comics Shop, and I'll put the details of his Instagram in the description. This is a book that I've been looking for a while, so we'll go ahead and show you guys what we ended up getting. Looks like this seller threw in a freebie, which is Ghost Rider #1 in a newsstand. Pretty awesome book. I don't yet have this book in my collection, so I'm super happy that he threw this in. Really awesome cover, love it. So this might give you a hint of what my purchase is gonna be. Seller did a great job on packaging. A lot of bubble wrap arrived safely as well. So let's go ahead and show you what we ended up getting. Ghost Rider #1 in a 6.5, and it is white pages. Used to have a copy in the collection, and that one was sold to be able to fund a bigger book, so I wanted to get another copy that was a higher grade. My old copy was a 2.5, so this is a nice upgrade to a 6.5 white pages. Great colors on this book. Very deep, vibrant colors. The blacks, the reds. This one is the first appearance of Son of Satan, Damien Hellstrom. Great key book to add to the collection. Just a gorgeous copy. So next up, I'm going to be showing what other books I ended up picking for the month of November. First one I want to show is Conan the Barbarian #1. Great Bronze Age key, first appearance of Conan the Barbarian. Great looking cover, Barry Windsor Smith art. There is a big crease towards the middle of the cover as well. I'm not sure if you can see it, but it is gonna go through pretty much the majority of the front cover. But still a great looking copy, about a VG-, so I'm super happy to have picked this up. I picked this up on the Macari app and roughly paid about $75 for this copy. So I got a great deal on this one, so I'm super happy to have picked this up. So the next set of books I was able to pick up from a seller I've purchased with him in the past. This was one of the sellers I ended up picking up about 50 books from already. So we messaged each other and he allowed me to come back and look through his books again. So we're gonna share what we ended up picking up from him. First book I picked up from him is a copy of Superman, Jim Lee art, #204. Great looking cover. I always love this cover. Saw this, I had to pick it up. Next book I was able to pick up is Young Avengers #1. great book to pick up right now. There's a lot of spec on this book. I was able to get it at a really good price. First appearance of the new Young Avengers. And the last book out of that lot I was able to pick up is King Size Special Hulk Annual #1. Great book, very iconic Hulky. This is a Jim Steranko cover, just an awesome book. Super happy to add this one. And this one is in rough shape. I would say it's about a good plus. It has some staining on it. Also has some tape along the spine. However, it still looks great in Mylar and I'm super happy to have it. So out of these 3 books, I was able to get all 3 of them for about 50 bucks cash. So got a great price on these and awesome to find these in the wild. So paid about $50 for all 3. So super happy to have picked those up. So the next pickup that I was able to pick up for the month of November is an awesome pickup. I shared this purchase with my Instagram followers, and this is Hulk #3. This one's a rough copy. This one has a spine split and also has some chipping. Does have a little bit of wear along the top pretty much throughout the book. I would rate this about a 1.5, might even be a 1.0. However, the cover looks really nice. Gorgeous colors, bright yellows and bright oranges. Love this book here. Also picked up Hulk #4 as part of the lot as well. I would rate this one about a good or good minus. Also picked up Hulk #5. Great cover there. This one is probably the best shape of the bunch. And lastly for that lot, also got Hulk #6. So this one has a little bit of tape on it, however, still presents great. And happy to add those to the collection. So overall, I picked up Hulk 3 through 6 from a fellow Instagrammer, and I'll also leave his information in the description as well. It's RV Tone #1, great member of the community, and I'll definitely do another transaction with him in the future. So here we go, one more time. We have Hulk 3 through 6, and this gets me a lot closer to my original goal of Hulk 1 through 6. Now I'm just missing #2, so that's gonna be one that's gonna be in the wish list for next year. And lastly, another one I was super happy to have picked up. It is New Mutants 98 in a 9.6 white pages. I was able to pick up this book through a trade of some early ASM. So those were some duplicate copies I had, so I'm super happy to have made this trade. So I hope you guys enjoyed that haul for November. So if you're new here, please feel free to subscribe if you like the content. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button on the way out. And I want to thank you for joining me here on Comics with Vonix. Also want to remind you to collect your passion. So see you in the next video. Bye. I highly recommend that you go ahead and follow this. Recommend that you guys also follow him on Instagram. His Instagram is Monster. His Instagram is Monster Shop Comics. His Instagram is Monster Shop. Instagram is Monster Comics Shop.